So, ang Cebuana Gold Bar, nilaunch namin to nung mga November of last year. Medyo nag-soft launch muna kami noon, tapos nag-full launch kami around June of this year. What makes it different is, well, number one, Cebuana ang gumawa ng Gold Bar. No? So, our name, our brand, the reputation of Cebuana is what makes this Gold Bar authentic, makes it real, gives the credibility. The second aspect is our two unique designs for this one, the Reyna Wana and the Bayanihan. We placed in some nationalistic design to this, which makes us different from the other players. And then lastly, of course, tayo yung unang-una na nag-mint ng Gold Bar dito sa Pilipinas. But despite na tayo yung una, we made sure to follow the worldwide standards of making the Gold Bar, which is why we have the serial number, the traceability, and again, as I mentioned, it is Cebuana that places in the trust and the credibility that the Gold Bar is real. So, as mentioned, meron tayong dalawang design. The first one is si Reyna Wana. So, si Reyna Wana is a very important figure back during the Spanish time. She's actually a Reina from Cebu. She was one of the first women to be baptized, and she helped in spreading Christianity in the Philippines. And then the second one naman is Bayanihan. The Bayanihan is very, very Filipino, nagtutulungan. And we feel these two designs really speak a lot about the values of being a Filipino. Yan, medyo magandang topic yan. No? So, I think unang-una yung hesitasyon naman ng tao, hindi siya primarily dahil sa ayaw nilang bumili ng gold. I think nagsisimula yan sa hindi sila aware na magandang investment ang gold. So I think unang-una is awareness. Ano ba talaga ang safe na investment? And that is gold, di ba? So gold is one of the surest form of investment that goes up over a long period of time. If you look at nga yung past few years, the last 2 years, halos nag-double ang amount ng gold. So this means that it's one of the safest forms of investment. Now that this is available, it's all about educating people that this is a very sound investment that you can make. I think unang-una kailangan mo malaman kung anong type ka na investor, di ba? And kung ano ba yung kapasidad mo at that point para bumili ng gold. So isipin niyo kung kunyari daw meron kayong 4,000 pesos, which is more or less the price nung isa naming gold bar, yung 1 gram na 18K or 24K. Kung ilalagay mo lang siya sa bangko or iiwan mo lang siya sa wallet mo, 6 months from now, 4,000 pesos pa rin siya, di ba? Walang nangyari and may inflation, di ba? Ano ba yung inflation? Tumataas lahat ng presyo dyan. Tumataas presyo ng bigas. Tumataas presyo ng pamasahe. So yung 4,000 pesos mo, technically, parang naging 3,500 na lang yan. So yung gold bar, ang maganda dyan pag nag-invest ka ng gold bar, tumataas yung value, di ba? Na-mention ka kanina, dumoble na yung value over 2 years. So yung 4,000 pesos mo, pwede maging 8,000 pesos. So anong gagawin mo ngayon, di ba? Gusto mo bang iiwan lang yan sa pitaka mo? Or ilagay mo sa ilalim ng matres mo? Or ibibili mo siya ng gold bar that alam mo, over a period of time, 1 year, 2 years from now, aangat yan at siguradong aangat yan. So yung return of investment mo, yung balik ng pera mo, dumoble, di ba? So, sulit. So, that's why ang pananaw dito talaga dapat long term. So, dapat smart ka rin kasi alam mo na ang gold, aangat talaga ang value.
How can investing in gold inspire financial confidence? And why should people invest?
Unang-una, kailangan kasi sa investments, di ba may kasabihan na don't put your eggs in one basket. Huwag mong ilalagay lahat ng idipon mo sa iisang sort of investment lang. Merong iba nag-i-invest sa stock market. Pag nilagay mo lahat ng pera mo doon, tapos bumagsak, ubos, di ba? Ubos yung pinaghirapan mong pera. one way to be a smart investor, maging diverse ka sa pinag-iinvestan mo, di ba? So, dapat alam mo ano ba yung mga iba-ibang options. So, maglagay ka ng konting pera sa bangko para meron kang money for a rainy day, di ba? So, sabi nga nila, kailangan meron kang at least pag nagkaroon ng konting hirap, meron kang paghuhugutan ng pera right away. So, that's one safe form of investment. Tapos, kailangan mo rin mag-isip ng mga investments na mag-grow. Pwede kang mag-invest sa negosyo. Pwede kang mag-invest sa mga high-yielding bonds. And of course, dyan naman din papasok ang gold, di ba? Ang maganda dun sa investment namin sa Cebuana Gold Bar, hawak mo sa kamay mo yung gold, di ba? And I think that's the difference here, na you have it with you. It will be very easy for you also to turn that back into cash when you need it. Kasi pupunta ka lang sa Cebuana branch, tapos makakakuha ka na ng guaranteed pawn back. So I think what's key here is, as an investor, di ba? Kung nag-iisip ka paano ba mag-invest, always have in mind na it's very, very good na iba-iba ang types of investment mo. Kailangan maging diverse ka, and Gold Bar is one safe and sure way of investing. So just have that in mind. It's diversification, and choose what is safe and guaranteed to go up as part of your portfolio.
When is it the best time to invest?
Napakagandang tanong nung kailan ba mag-i-invest, di ba? Kasi parang ang mindset ng tao is mag-i-invest kung madami ng pera. Ang tanong, kailan ba tayo magsasabi na, uy, ang dami ko ng pera? Kasi palagi naman sinasabi, kulang palagi ang pera, di ba? Ang advice ko, kung when is the best time to invest, the best time is always now. The best time is always today. Pag meron kang kahit konting matatabi, di ba? Of course, yung mga pang-araw-araw na pangangailangan natin, kailangan natin siyang mabayaran, di ba? Pero kung meron kang sobra, anong gagawin natin sa sobra? Kung hindi mo siya ilalagay sa investment, mawawala yung value niya. In this case, sa Gold Bar, kung meron kang 4,000 pesos, pwede ka na mag-invest. Di ba yung price points ng Gold Bar namin, may 4,000 for the 1 gram, may around 20,000 for the 5 grams, and may 40 plus thousand for the 10 grams. So, at any point, tingnan nyo, ano ba yung available ninyo na pang-invest, and saan ko ba siya pwedeng gamitin. And the best time to invest is when you have that spare money, spare cash, that's just lying there, invest nyo na, di ba? Para meron kang guarantee na at some point, aakyat yan and may returns yan in the future.
Where can we buy the quantity?
Okay, so saan ba tayo makakabili ng Gold Bar, di ba? Actually, marami tayong paraan para bumili ng Gold Bar. Unang-una, pwede kayong pumunta sa kahit anong Cebuana branch. Pag pumunta kayo sa Cebuana branch, dalawa yung pwedeng mangyari niyan eh. Unang-una is, nandun na agad yung Gold Bar, di ba? And then pwede siyang makuha agad. And may mga case naman kasi sobrang bilis gumalaw ng Gold Bar namin ngayon, nauubos siya sa branches. Dami nag-i-invest, di ba? Kaya mag-invest na kayo. Pero sa sitwasyon na ganon, pag pumunta ka sa branch at walang Gold Bar, meron kami tinatawag na pre-order. So, kukuhaan kanila ng detalye, at kung dumating na yung Gold Bar, either di-deliver sa inyo or pwede nyong balikan dun sa branch. Meron din tayong online. Sa online naman, may iba't ibang paraan para bumili sa online. Meron kaming cebuanalulierjewelry.com. Actually, ngayon, meron kayong 5% discount sa 18 grams. So, kung ako sa inyo, Pasko pa naman, perfect din pang regalo, ito na yung time para bumili kayo ng Gold Bars sa cebuanalulierjewelryonline.com. Available din kami sa mga marketplace partners namin katulad ng Lazada, Shopee at Zalora. And siguro dadagdag ko lang din, no, kasi sa platform namin, pwede kayo mag-customize. So if you want to put pangalan ng anak nyo, pangalan ng asawa nyo, di ba? Pwede nyo yung ilagay. So parang in a way, di ba, forever na rin yung pangalan yun naka-etch sa Gold Bars. You can put your name, you can choose a zodiac sign, you can even choose the first letter. So pwede namin siyang i-etch, di ba? Not long from now, we will be available in non-Cebuana channels. So that's something to watch out for, and we will announce that in our Facebook page. Alright? Para lang alam nating lahat, don't forget, meron kaming 6 na iba-ibang klaseng Gold Bars. Meron kaming 18K na 1 gram. Yung 18K na 1 gram namin is around 4,285 pesos. Yung 5 gram namin is 21,425. At yung 10 gram na 18K is 42,850. don't forget, my 5% discount right now. So go online, you can buy right away. For 24K naman, may 1 gram which is at 5,500 pesos, 5 gram at 27,500 pesos, and the 10 gram at 55,000 pesos. And again, don't forget, the best time to invest is now. Sa halagang 4,000, 5,000 pesos, makakakuha na kayo ng 1 gram. And if you have more, 40,000, 50,000 pesos, meron naman 10 gram. And don't worry, guaranteed, umaakyat talaga ang presyo ng gold. So it's a really a good time to invest. And again, Pasko, good time to give as a gift. So ano pang inaantay natin? Invest now and check out the Cebuana Gold Bar.